Yes.
That's the 8.6. Well,
Okay.
that's where the 8.6 resides.
Uh-huh.
That is the Maunakapu city, the city's Maunakapu site. It's supposed
It's a
to be,
DEM repeater.
well, the site belongs to the city. It's the Maunakapu site. There are many, many, many antennas on there. You can see some
Yeah,
microwaves.
Yeah, yeah.
So that red and white one is the city site. You come, the trees in a way, or maybe you can go back this
Oh,
way.
I can see.
There's a green tower. The
Yeah, I
green
see
tower
it.
belongs
I
to the
see it.
state.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so city on the left, the big one, state on the right.
All right.
That's the Maunakapu. So this site, we have what is the most standoutish thing. So the microwaves, only the east-facing one is active. It's facing Board of Water Supply, Aliamanu crater, their site, and it's what's providing our internet. From here to the internet gateway, which I believe is at Mitch's house, K6MP in Honolulu or Kaimuki, it's probably about 15 hops, 15 IP hops, router hops,
Wow.
right? But it works.
Wow.
The west-facing antenna was supposed to be to see if we could make it to Waipahu, but I don't think we have visual line of sight to Waipahu. So, and then the person that was spearheading the project for the Board of Water Supply moved to a different position, and I don't think the person currently in charge has any interest in expanding the system.
So is this microwave what links this repeater to the other ones?
No, this is not linked. Oh well, in a sense, yes. The
I see microwave on the 8.6.
yeah, well, so the Allstar is supposed to be linked to the EA site, and it's linked to all the other Allstar nodes, right? Because it's an Allstar node. So yes, technically this is the link to it, but all it is an internet connection. So that's how it's linked via the internet.
Okay.
So this is our antenna lightning protection system.
Oh, good.
So we have one coax up the tower to the antenna. And it says here grid tower. So this is our DMR and Vara, the DMR UHF and the Vara VHF. And this other coax goes to this grid tower. I'm sorry, I take that back. The DMR and Vara are the grid tower. Allstar is on the tube tower.
Okay, and so it comes into there and...
So the two antennas come into here. These are the lightning arresters.
Okay,
To an aluminum plate, ground to a copper plate to our ground rod.
okay.
And then this continues into the shack. We have 4, I think, 1.5 PVC chase through the wall with a weather seal, so keeps the geckos out. These are Ethernet lightning arresters.
Wow.
So the 2 microwaves up there are powered by power over Ethernet, PoE.
Right.
We have a PoE injector gain board, goes through these lightning arresters, and
That
feeds
supplies the
feeds
power.
micro.
Okay. Tracking.
All of this came from DX Engineering, kind of my design and my build. Best that I know how. I don't know how.
Oh, looks nice.
This is the safety lock. And maybe in case of emergency, I have my contact information inside. This gray PVC where it says no smoking, that's our hydrogen vent from the inside out.
Oh, from the battery?
Yep.
What's this little one here?
I think that was an old cradle point. That's just to keep, so we have somebody that comes and weed whacks this to our rig runner.
Okay.
So the rig runner is supposed to have an internet connection, and it actually does find. So that's what sends me the low voltage alerts. If I had remote access to it, I could actually toggle those circuit breakers and turn off the different circuits. One circuit is for the DMR, one circuit for the 800, one circuit for the Vara system, including computer. One circuit was for the microwave. What the fifth one is for? I forget. Anyway.
Okay, so the PV input is here,
Yep, where it says PV.
and then comes into the controller.
Yep.
and
Comes
then
out of the controller into the battery.
And then
Then the battery load also goes to
the
this,
terminal up
another
there.
circuit breaker. And everything is connected via that bus.
Okay, oh, so this is circuit breaker here.
These are two circuit breakers. So I
Oh,
can
those-
open the PV and I can open the load and
okay,
isolate
okay.
this.
That's just a terminal block there up above.
Yeah, just terminal blocks.
Okay.
Terminal bus.
And above that, those two devices above?
That's the PoE injector
Okay, from outside.
for the, so it runs off of 12 volt in
Supplies the power.
and provides the, I don't know what the output is. If I could read from this distance, it tells you what the voltage is powering the microwave. Only one is actually in use, the west facing microwave is not in use. We ran a bunch of PVC pipes through there and then fill it up with foam, so we have a chase. I think there's supposed to be another spare. So I think that top one is still open and a spare. We can actually run some more cable through there.
Hmm.
And I guess we could punch all this crap out because I don't think it's in use. If we needed more path. This diplexer, we should have two coax coming out. So one coax is for the DMR, right? So we get two antennas, right, on two towers. So this is one antenna, and this is one antenna. Then it's VHF, UHF, so the diplexer takes one of our VHF devices and one of our UHF devices and sends it up the antenna.
Amazing.
Via the lightning arrestor.
Yeah. So what's your thought on tiger tails for handhelds?
They work.
You think it's worth